This is a gorgeous 9-piece set of rhinestone appliques I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. There are 9 appliques here in total. You've got 4 smaller ones that are kind of a bow shape. You've got a pearl and then all the rhinestones, just gorgeous. You've got 4 bigger ones. All of these are the same kind of look, so sparkly and glamorous. And then you've got one that is much bigger. Again, absolutely stunning. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just blown away by these. This is the gold variant, so you'll see the gold is kind of in the settings. They're all backed with a hot melting adhesive glue back, so you just iron them on and this will adhere to the material. If you don't want to iron these on, you can also stitch them on directly to your material. These are gorgeous and a great way to DIY craft and glam up anything from a wedding veil to a belt or jacket, high heels, a purse, you name it.